Good morning, friends, and I'm at Lokmanya Tilak Railway Terminus. This is the train. I am traveling now to Kerala. 65 is here. This is 65. So it is 11:41 and our train has started. These guys, they sell food. Can you see these flowers? So these people, they are going to Sabrimala. So many monkeys. The locomotive here. You can see the sun setting now. Now I'll be sleeping. So good night, friends. See you tomorrow. Good morning, friends, and I'm at Lokmanya Tilak Railway Terminus, and I am on another adventure traveling by train from this station to Kerala. So this is the station, how it looks. It's a little bit crowded, and let me check whether my train is in time. So this is the information board over here, and the train is in time. That's good. So this is how you come to know, and this is the train. It's arriving here. That's called Netravati Express. I'll be traveling by this train to Kerala. It's in a sleeper class compartment. So friends, enjoy this short journey. I hope you will love this. Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my channel Ripples on Road. I am traveling now to Kerala. So this is my train. Can you see, guys, friends? So this is my train, and I'll be traveling to Kerala. It will take about 24 hours, and it will take more than 24 hours. It will take about 28 hours. And if the train is in time, I will get down at Thrissur. Otherwise, I'll go to Ambalapuram. My ticket is from Mumbai, Lokmanya Tilak to Ambalapuram. So it's a sleeper class, non-air condition. I will show you inside. So my coach is S1. So if you see here, it is S2. Now mine is the next one, very close to the locomotive. You can hear the sound of the locomotive. The train is very dirty. Very sad to see this. So the condition of the train is not that good. Mine is 65, so it will be here. Mine is 65. So this is my berth. This is the entrance. So this is the entrance. My peak, mine is 65. So 65 is here. This is 65. 65 is my lower berth. My sleeping bag here. So this is the lower berth. This is the lower berth, and this is the middle one, and this is the upper berth. So middle one will come this way. So if someone wants to sleep, they have to take it up, and this is the thing which you hang it. So mine is here. There is a side berth also which comes down. Both this comes down, and you can sleep. There is a side upper, we call it. This is side lower, this is side upper. So there are 8 people who can sleep in this. 3 here, 3 here, the same way. And there's a fan here. So there are lights here. Let me on the light. This is the fan, night lamp. This is for the sockets, emergency. So the train looks like that. You can see here, mine is 65 here. Emergency window. Can you see here? Emergency window. So emergency window is here. It doesn't have any grill. It's just open. And what should I show you more? A bottle holder for water bottle and something to keep it here. to hold it. I can open it like this and sit here and enjoy the journey. A comfortable one. It's not that bad. It's okay. About 27 to 28 hours. So I'll be moving around in the train and I'll be showing you more about this place. So guys, enjoy this journey, a small journey. After a long time I am going to Kerala by the train. You can see it's empty now. So this is the toilet. And looks like this. It's the Indian one. So when you flush, you just press this. So bio toilet. It's clean now. I think this must be Western one. So it looks like this. Oh, this is also Indian. The same thing. No much difference. And the train looks like this here. I'll show you the locomotive later on. So it is 11:41 and our train has started. You see this? The train has started. So our train has started right time. The station name is Lokmanya Tilak Terminus. Lot of luggage here. So this is how the non-AC sleeper class looks. And now I am going to the AC compartment because my friends are there. I brought some food. I'll go and give them some food. Now the train is full because from here it will, now Mumbai is over, Panvel. The train is running right time. These guys, they sell food. Egg biryani, chicken biryani. He's selling food. So chapati, vegetable, egg biryani, chicken biryani. All that. So I brought for me chapati and chicken curry. So chicken curry, actually it's chicken tikka masala. I made it in the morning. I got up 7 o'clock to make this chicken tikka masala. So we have reached Chippaloon. It used to be a very nice station, but during the rainy season it really looks beautiful. And let me try to get something here. There are some food stalls here. I will be getting down here and getting something here because I'm very thirsty. It's really hot now, hot and humid. So friends, it is now 4 o'clock and we have come to a station called Chipalun, and I'm going to buy some cold drink or something. I'm very thirsty. It's very hot here. Let me see what I get here. So many things. Chas hai kya? Nahi. So I took this. It's called Jeera soda. That is cumin. Mine is S1, so I have to go a little walking further. So I was talking with him. Now this is electrified till Mangalore. You can see the electric engine over there, and it has started. I have to get inside. This fellow is selling vada pav. So the name of the station is called Chipalun. Many of my friends are from here. I've been here for a marriage also. It's called Chipalun. The station. There's people, those who work on the tracks, they live here in the small tents. So they work on the track and they maintain the tracks. I'll show you how they maintain the tracks. I hope you can see the locomotive, because if we are so close we cannot see the locomotive. It's electric. I'm very surprised. Because last time I came here it was diesel, now it's electric. See these people who are working on the track. So they live over there in the small tents. So I got down here because my friend's compartment is in air condition and my compartment is there. So now I have to go there and catch my compartment. So this station is known as Sangmeshwar. Beautiful place. This during the rainy season it's really beautiful. This is A1, that is second class sleeper. So mine is S1, now it is S8. So I have to walk up to S1. And after this what you see is pantry car, that is where they cook food. So this is a pantry car here. This one is a pantry car. Here they cook food. You can't see, it's all close. Otherwise you can see the guys cooking. I hope you can see inside. So they are cooking food inside this pantry car. Can you see these flowers? So these people, they are going to Sabrimala. Sabrimala is a religious place in Kerala. So they're going, these flowers are for that. So they're traveling to Sabrimala. Very interesting. So now it has come S6. Mine is S1. I love to travel by train. So it's very interesting. Nice journey also. So I love it. And now it's about 4:50. It's 4:50. It's 4:50. And the weather is okay. Yeah. Chalo. So some guys they got down. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, small video on the train travel from Mumbai to Kerala. My compartment and my seat is here, 65.
I've closed the window here. This is 65. We are waiting for the crossing. There's another train coming ahead. So many monkeys on the track. They have come to eat. So many of them. And there is a tunnel just ahead. And these monkeys are moving around. See on the top. There are two monkeys on the top here. Can you see those guys? See both of them. See here, yes, now you can see. So many of them are there. They are fighting also. And people throw garbage and it looks so bad. Otherwise this place is so beautiful with the animals and the monkeys. So there's a train coming from here. So this is the train, Netravati. You can see Padmanabha Swami temple over there and Gateway of India here from Trivandrum to Mumbai. And here you can see the locomotive. This is a parcel van where they keep the luggage, and just ahead of that is the locomotive. Let me go ahead because there is a train coming. This is a single line. Try to do it fast. So this is the locomotive here. Let me zoom out. This is a train station. This is the locomotive here. It's WAP, that is 7,000 horsepower. And we are waiting for the train to come this way. Let me go back. You can see the sun setting now, and this was the longest tunnel which we crossed, that one. Got famous vada. This is a batata vada. This is coconut chutney and tea from the station here. The station is just here. It is now 9:30 and we have entered Goa. Goa is a beautiful touristic place, and we have entered Goa, and now I'll be sleeping. So good night, friends. See you tomorrow. So if at all you like my videos, please do share with your friends and families. So this is Goa. What you see is Goa. Nice place. Cool here. Not very cold, but it is cool here. So this place is known as Tivim. And this is our station. So this is the station, people. This is the general compartment. I forgot to tell, there are two general compartments. Means you just take a ticket, you don't get a reserved seat. But you can sit wherever you can see a vacant place. So friends, good night and see you tomorrow in the morning.